The leather seat on my 1992 Honda CB750 was cracked. Luckily I found that somebody has thrown this old couch away. So I cut the back out, and if this is large enough I can make a new seat out of it. Little test fit proved that it was large enough. Then start the tedious task of ripping all the old staples out. They were rusty and most of them broke off. Once I got all the old staples out, I could pull the leather back, reveal the foam and dry that out. I cleaned it and then made a prototype with duct tape. It doesn't really look good, but it showed me the right process of how to get the leather tight over the seat. I then attached the real thing with staples when the leather was really tight around the seat. As you can see, this looks pretty good. I wonder how long it'll last, but so far so good. Thank you for watching.